In this video, we will guide you step by step on how to use our Garmin Golf app to edit your scorecard. Let's get started. First, confirm the scorecard. You can confirm scoring information on the Garmin Golf app.
Tap on the scorecard data you want to review in the activity.
You can just select the scorecard data you want to confirm. Scorecard Explanation. The number here is the score for each hole if there are no additional marks. It means a part. If there is a square around the score, it means a bogey. If a double square is around a score, which means a double bogey or higher. If a circle is around a score, it means a birdie. If there is a dot below the score, it represents a handicap of 1 stroke taken. Edit scores. Here, you can modify the scores from the scoring section of the Garmin Golf app. Tap the 3-dot icon at the top right of the app. Select Edit. Tap the plus or minus to modify the scores. Tapping the 3-dot icon at the bottom right will display the fairway and putts options. Fairway. Record whether the ball stays on the fairway after the tee shot. Putts. Record how many strokes were putts. Tap X to return to the Edit Scorecard page. Tap the left or right button to edit the information for the next hole. Once you have finished editing, you can tap the 3 dots at the top right and select Done Editing. Then, save. Thank you for watching our tutorial video. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to contact us.